Today, it's the South versus the North as Collington Primary from Clarendon takes on Supreme Preparatory from St. James. The team talk. Collington, led by Coach Noel Lothian, are young but prepared. They're made up of Akila Wittick, Jadine Chambers, Keno Campbell, and Tatiani Anderson.
This is a very young team, and these students are very talented and dedicated. They have been putting in a lot of work, even though they have had a short period of time in which to prepare.
Supreme Preparatory have declared that they have come to reign with supremacy.
We stand true to our motto in whatever we do, the utmost for the highest. To my right, we have the only thorn among the roses, Simon Matheson. He is our science whiz. Then we have Michael and Foster, who does language. Ruthia Redwood with mathematics, and Gabriana Peterkin with social studies.
So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Collington Primary won. They decided that Supreme Preparatory should play first. So with 4 minutes on the clock, Supreme, we begin with Bible knowledge. How many books are there in the Old Testament?
39.
Incorrect, 39. Collington Primary, Bible knowledge. In which language was the Old Testament originally written? The question passes. Supreme, would you like to try?
Hebrew.
Correct. Supreme, still with you. Science. Where in the body is the Adam's apple found? Correct. Collington Primary. Science. Where in the body is the patella found?
The kneecap.
Judges? Accepted. Teams, we're going to ask you to speak up when you're answering, okay? Supreme, Jamaican Affairs. In which Jamaican parish is the tourist town of Negril found? The bell came first. Collington, would you like to try?
Westmoreland.
Correct. Still with you, Collington. Jamaican Affairs. In which Jamaican parish is the fishing town of Old Harbour Bay?
St. Anne.
Incorrect. St. Catherine. Supreme, English language. Complete the simile. As clean as?
Whistle.
Correct. Collington, English language. Complete the simile. As deaf as? The question passes. Supreme, would you like to try?
Doorknob.
Incorrect. As a that was accepted. Correct. Still with you, Supreme, general knowledge. Which sea is the shallowest in the world?
Atlantic.
Incorrect. The Sea of Azov. General knowledge for Collington. Which canal is the longest in the world? The question passes to Supreme.
Panama.
Incorrect. The Grand Canal of China. Still with you, Supreme Prep. Social Studies. Who is the Prime Minister of Barbados?
Florence Stewart.
Repeat for me, please.
Florence Stewart.
Incorrect. Frundell Stewart. Over to you, Collington. Social Studies. Who is the Prime Minister of Grenada?
Keith Mitchell.
Correct. Supreme. Music. Which legendary artiste won the first festival song competition in Jamaica in 1966?
Bob Marley. he still alive at the time? I know. Bob Marley.
Incorrect. Toots Hibbert. Music to you, Collington. What is the title of the song that Toots Hibbert sang to win the 1996 Festival Song Competition in Jamaica? The question passes to Supreme. Sorry. Would you like to answer?
No, sir.
The answer is Bam Bam. And that is the end of section 1.
Collington attempted half of the 8 questions posed to them, one of which was passed on to them. Supreme attempted 9 out of the 10, 3 of which were passed. Scoreline reads: Collington Primary 3, Supreme Preparatory 4.